If you're looking to keep tabs on interest rates and the market, you've come to the right place. Scroll down for 3 resources to help you stay informed. The Mortgage Rate Watch, and then right below that, the Bond Market Tracker, are live feeds. They have charts and data that are updated throughout trading days, and you can customize each chart. You can adjust the date range, you can change the chart type, or choose which mortgage-backed security, coupon, or treasury note you want to be looking at. Refresh throughout the day, and then in each window, make sure you scroll down for market commentary and alerts. The third resource on this page is our Housing and Mortgage Market Weekly. And as the name hints, we publish it once a week, every Friday afternoon, with a recap of the week's market action, color commentary, and a look ahead to upcoming economic data that has the potential to impact mortgage rates. So bookmark this page and check back weekly, or if you click the link below, you can subscribe and we'll deliver the Mortgage Market Weekly straight to your inbox. But if all of this talk of charts and coupons and mortgage-backed securities, oh my, makes your head spin, don't worry. We've got you. We watch the markets constantly, obsessively even, and we're always available to translate anything you have questions about into plain English so you can make fully informed decisions about your loan.